I'm Becky Thompson, Education Producer at Arts Connect. The Creativity in the Classroom programme is a series of professional learning workshops for primary teachers that will help them to build the skills, confidence and knowledge to teach a high-quality, diverse art curriculum. We want teachers to leave our workshops feeling that they are inspired, equipped and have everything they need to try new things in the classroom. We've created the Developing an Ambitious Art curriculum for primary leads to help them to ensure that their curriculum has real breadth and depth and that they are secure in the knowledge that it meets the requirements of the national curriculum and is enriching for their pupils. During the day, we'll have time for teachers to reflect on their current art curriculum, thinking about the real strengths that are already there and identifying opportunities for development. We know how important it is that teachers actually hear from other experts who are working in schools. So on the day, we'll have two very special expert guests. We'll be joined by art specialist teacher Mandy Barrett, who currently teaches at Gomersall Primary in West Yorkshire. She'll be telling us about how she's developed a broad art curriculum that is really designed around the needs of the pupils that she works with. She'll also be telling us about how she uses sketchbooks to really encourage children to be curious and bold in their work and truly work like artists. We'll also be joined by Faye, who has a vast experience working in primary schools as arts lead, inclusion lead, SENCO and early years lead. She'll be sharing with us how she's used contemporary art practices in the classroom to really inspire young people and to develop their oracy skills. She'll also share with us how she's worked with her school and teachers within it to develop a CPD programme that really helps to inspire and support members of staff. We want primary art leads to leave our workshop feeling that they've got the tools and the knowledge to really create a curriculum that helps their pupils to thrive. We're also going to be thinking about arts leadership and how we can develop those skills and employ them back in the classroom to help infuse other teachers and to continually develop art curriculum. Primary art leads will leave the workshop with fresh ideas and inspirations to really work on the ambition of their art curriculum. They'll also have two examples of where this has happened in two very different primary schools and an idea of how the national curriculum and other educational resources can be used to shape their own art curriculum. They'll also have built up their network of like-minded art leads and be able to use that in the future to connect and to share ideas.